Hello everyone, DNC Card Breaks back with another video with the 2019 Bowman Blaster Boxes. Bought a total of 5 of these. I broke one off camera, and as you can see, I got a 2 parallels. Got these this blue parallel numbered to $4.99 and a purple parallel, and it's numbered to $2.50. One of our other videos, you'll see breaking one of these blaster boxes open. Actually got a Wander Franco paper, Joey Bart paper, and was able to pull this Alex McKenna autograph here, so that was a good box. I've got 2 that I'm going to do in this video. I've still got 1 more left to do. I'll probably just make a video of it, just breaking it alone. So let's break into this and see if we can have the same kind of luck that we had with the last box. Santos rookie card, Greinke, Suarez, Anderson, Chris Davis, Michael Bays Chrome, Kyle Lewis Top 100, Luis Garcia, Whitley Chrome. There's a Vlad Jr. card, and Jay Groom. Not much happening in that pack. Crawford, Guzman, Chris Bryant, Trey Mancini, Garcia rookie card. See some color back there. Bryce Wilson rookie card. DJ Stewart rookie card. This is a Diaz blue chrome, numbered 69 of 150. Sharp looking card there. Sanchez, Ramos, Bowman Chrome first, Liberatore, and Adaman. So that was a nice card out of 150 in that last pack. Tellez rookie card. Nice Mike Trout. Scooter Gennett. Salvador Perez. Josh Hader with his hair. Aaron Nola. Justin Dunn Chrome. Ready for the show. Tristan McKenzie. Horner. Luke and Baker Chrome. Ronaldo Hernandez, Bowman first, and Bo Bichette. Edwin Diaz, Odor, Anthony Rizzo, Ronald Acuna Jr., Adolis Garcia, rookie card, Jeff McNeil, rookie card, Reggie Lawson Chrome, Rookie of the Year favorites, Kyle Tucker, Ruiz, Nova, Seth Beer, Adam Hazley. Steven Duggar, rookie card. Chris Shaw, rookie card. Kyle Tucker, rookie card. Nolan Arenado. Clayton Kershaw. Rosario. Top 100, Peter Lambert. Zach Collins. Anthony Kay. Blaze Alexandria. Bohm and Christian Javier. Got one pack left in this box right here, and then we'll open the other box. Longoria. Adames. Juan Soto. Merrifield. Ward rookie card. Kramer rookie card. Gorman Chrome. Got the talent pipeline here of the Angels. Cabrera. Blake Rutherford. Jesus Sanchez. Not a bad box. So we got that parallel there, numbered to 150. Got the Vlad card, Acuna Jr., so 3 pretty good cards out of that. Let's see what, maybe we can get a auto in this next box here. Steven Duggar. Chris Shaw rookie card. Kyle Tucker rookie card. Nolan Arenado. Clayton Kershaw. Rosario. Corey Ray Chrome. Top 100. AJ Puck. Luis Garcia. Colomb and Chris Paddock. Longoria. Adames. Juan Soto. Merrifield. Taylor Ward rookie card. Kramer rookie card. Newman rookie card. Santana. Contreras. Chrome. Spanberger. Victor Mesa. I know, and Marte Bowman first. I know there's a Victor Mesa and a Victor Mesa. Not sure which one is the better player of the two. A Studio. Kyle Freeland. Eddie Rosario. An Aaron Judge. Wendell. Nick Senzel. 30th anniversary card of Joey Bart. That's a nice card there. One of the top prospects. Perez. Will Smith. Definitely not the actor. And Casey Mize. It's just me doing the break today. Me and Corey, we live about an hour and a half away from each other, so you will see him hopefully get on here and break some, and I'll break some, and then when we get a chance, we'll get together and we'll break some. We'll break probably mainly some older cards together, kind of what we grew up on. Max Scherzer, O'Hearn, Fletcher, rookie card, Kobe Allard, rookie card, Lugo, rookie card, Bowers, rookie card, Burrows, chrome. There's a top 100 of Jesus Lazaro. It's numbered 2, 36/99. It's a good looking card. Jeter Downs, Juan Pablo Martinez, chrome, Fabian, and Alexander. Got 2 packs left here. Yep, Corey, like I said, he's into football a lot, so I think he's going to be opening some football cards. I love hockey as well. I've been meaning to buy some hockey cards. I'll try to do that sometime soon. I've still got quite a lot of baseball cards to open, though. Burns, rookie card. Justin Verlander, Berrios, Hosmer, Touki Toussaint, rookie card. Brad Keller, top 100, O'Neal Cruz, Cole Tucker, Austin Beck, Christian Santana, Reggie Lawson, and Michael Bays. Last pack here, maybe we can somehow pull a autograph. That would be nice. Jake DeGrom, Stanton, Martinez, Jose Altuve. He was just here in Nashville playing. Jeter Downs, chrome. Talent Pipeline of Seattle. Victor Mesa Jr. Jimenez. And Hicklin. So we'll kind of go through kind of what we found here. There's that Lazardo, 36/99, Bowman Chrome top 100. There was that Joey Bart, 30th anniversary. Aaron Judge base card. This DS 69/150 parallel. It's a nice card. Vlad Jr. base card and Acuna Jr. base card. Alright guys, if you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel. If there's anything that I missed going through there, make a comment on the bottom of cards I may have overlooked. And like I said, look for some videos in the future. I've got a lot of 2018 cards that I've bought, and I'll be making videos of those.